Hello riders or not, welcome back from Mint Customs. We're gonna build some bikes today again. It's very busy at the workshop, so I'm doing the intro just by myself because I'm sure Simon is very busy. It's loads of cars today. I hope it will be some puppies. I always have a hope there will be puppies when it's new cars coming, and people bringing dogs. Oh hey! Hello!
Looks a mini D.
Mini D.
She's been out on a Harley today.
For the first time, did you ride a bike first time?
Yeah.
Is it okay to ask you a question? Will you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. So how did it felt?
I don't know. It was like, I don't know. It was just like fun, I guess. I don't know.
How different it was from being in the car and driving with your dad?
Well, it's like very open. It's like, I don't know. It's just like really open and stuff.
What's going on? What's happening?
Hilly's got to show you the picture. Hilly's got to show you that picture.
Okay, somebody needs to film it. Should I put it?
I'll film it.
You will film it?
Yeah.
Hilly? Can you show me the picture that you did?
Oh, yes.
I don't know how well this will show up because it's behind.
It's good, isn't it?
It's supposed to be slightly rat roddy. That's meant to be like rust, but because it's on plastic, it's ironic rust. So yeah, that's why it's got red and white wheels and the sticker bombing. You know, just to make it colourful and stand out.
Yeah.
But my first thought was to go even wackier and add the little wings like Ducati on the seat and the.
Has the wings.
Oh my god.
I was going to say that's why you know. But I like that. On the wheel.
Yeah, I like
that's
that
kind
a
of
lot.
cool.
Let me have a look at what you're doing.
Mint in between
I
the
like
spokes
that.
on the wheels, going right across. That'll look pretty cool. That you sent the picture through that. It had that funny reset bit underneath as well. I put stickers there, but this has got a different shape.
Yeah.
The frames are so it's cool.
Why do you build my subframe? Is it because it's on your bench?
I'm bored. That's what my dad told me to say.
So what I'm saying, I came and I found that subframe is almost done.
Yeah.
And then I found you.
I blamed him.
If it's wonky, he did it. If it's straight, I did it.
Bit of lube, because that's what separates us from the animals. Apparently. We're going to, you're standing here.
And I'll just use this.
That's it, you're going to go in nice, steady and slowly, so you need to push the lever forward, strike the lathe on, keep your hand clear of everything.
Okay.
Away she goes. There you go. Nice, slowly in. That's called a parting off tool. You're just parting off a spacer. Well, you're just parting off a spacer. Good job. Good job, well done.
All right, can you take us through the subframe? Because I came and it was
Yes.
magically here already, so I need to be taking
Well, there's
through
not much of it.
of the engineering solutions that you made.
Not much of
Very
it at the
surprised
moment.
how simple it is.
Yeah, keep it very simple. That's the main thing, is to keep it simple. I have decided to use just some 20mm mild steel box section because we could have built it out of aluminium, but I need you to weld all this up, and it's going to be a lot easier just to weld it up with out of mild steel for you to do it. But the spacer you've just cut is basically that spacer there.
Oh, that's cool.
Just TIG it on. That goes in there. Bolt goes in there. That goes up there.
How you decided on the length? Magic number.
I did, yeah. No, I've gone slightly over long on everything. So I just put a tape measure up there. Kind of thought seat's going to end around there. So I did that at 50mm. Did the bottom one at 40mm. You've got to make, this one's ready to go for you to make on the other side. So I'll show you how I've achieved that.
Okay.
And then you will achieve it on your own. So we've got the bottom side to do on the other side. And then what will happen is, when we've got everything square and where we want it to be, we'll bring the bottom one up, we'll put a cut onto this, we'll bring those two together, and then we'll TIG that up.
And that's it.
That's just the two halves, and then we have to put the braces across, then we've got to make a battery tray that sits in there. Well, you've got to make a battery tray that sits in there.
Well, we'll have to make a new bracket for this.
Make a new bracket for the remote preload adjuster. Yep, bolt that on there. And then we need some brackets for the tank mount to come off this subframe. So everything's going to be mounted off this subframe.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah, we'll sort
And I'll
that
be
out.
sitting on that.
Yeah, this because there'll be braces in here across here. That's
Gonna be strong.
yeah, it's slightly over-engineered, but doesn't matter. It'd be fine. Right, bottom.
Stronger than we need.
Yeah.
Good.
bottom brace. Bottom leg. Using that.
I'm getting distracted by the dog. He's just too handsome. Look at him.
He is very handsome.
Look at him. He's just perfect. Yes, yes, you are. Very handsome dog. Very, very handsome.
So it's the longevity as well, because obviously it needs to run a lot. Right, before I start shouting, we're doing a relief cut here
Okay.
to give us a nice, cool looking bend.
Okay.
If you ever try and bend box section, you know that's fucking hard. It's a V. We're not going through. We're literally cutting a V out. So you go in that angle there on that line, that angle there on that line. Give us a V. We'll bend that over. We'll TIG it up. Yeah.
That is scary.
It's not scary.
We had to do that before welding. So if I fuck up, then we don't have to weld it.
You won't fuck up. It's metal. We can add metal to metal.
By welding again.
Yeah. You won't fuck up. But nice V, cut through there, nice and straight. We'll bend that up. We'll weld it up. And the weld will be great.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or
If
just
you
having a
say so.
deja bucket, whatever it's called. What's it called? Deja vu. Oh, I'm having a deja vu about the deja vu.
What are you deja vuing about?
I walked from there to there, and I saw Loki sitting there, and then I had a deja vu. And then when I said Stad and went, just had a deja vu, or I couldn't remember, and then you said deja vu, I had a deja vu about the deja vu. Does that make sense?
No.
Put your relief cut in.
What's a man got to do to touch a woman there? What's a man got to got to beg, or if I have to plead, or if I have to fight, or if I have to bleed. If I
Flap the bloody frame, will you? I'm stood here holding a bolt like a nugget.
Yeah.
Just put it on the bench and you don't need to put it in the vice. They don't need everything in the vice.
How about the fucking health and safety in this?
Oh, I've got to eat my sandwich. I need to put it in the vice.
Is that a chicken nugget?
Any nugget.
You standing holding
No.
like a chicken nugget.
Golden nugget. Ooh, Klondike Peaks, golden nuggets. Do you remember them from Nabisco's? Nabisco's. Bloody lovely golden nuggets. We are a very slightly different angle with that one.
Oh wait.
Yeah, go on, push it up. Not that you'd notice it that much. No, you don't notice that. That's fine. Perfect.
Well, that part will not be covered.
Well, yeah, we'll lose battery boxes and all sorts. Well, we'll see the shock. The battery box is going to start about here.
But then we will see that part.
Yes. Be fine.
Okay.
Be fine. Your eye will not be
Don't
on
look
that.
the camera off.
Let me have a look. Actually, it's not. It's really good.
You look from the.
Bend down.
Yeah, it is okay.
Spot on.
You always make me feel worse before you make me feel better.
Well, because that's the make you feel better bit afterwards is double gooder.
You did it on purpose.
Yeah. Second guess yourself and then you have to think about your job.
Top tips.
Top tips. Use reverse psychology. Used to
Why
do
do
it
you
with the
have
boys.
some Velcro on this?
No, that's for your Speedo. That's for Tom put in his pocket.
So Tom doing the speedo.
He's doing your. He's just adjusting your. Well, he's turning around in circles at the moment. He's just adjusting the clock mount to take the Speedo. Yeah. Well,
Here we go.
rev counter. We're taping the
Nice.
Speedo up. You're not having a look at the Speedo. We'll be taping that up.
Okay.
Look at this.
Bop.
Getting there.
Bop.
Is it a BMW? Oh!
If I
Oh, Nick
have to
Sharpie.
beg, or if I have to bleed, if I got to fail,
I heard that.
I have to bleed, if I tell a lie, or if I speak the truth. Tell me, baby, what's a man got to do to meet a woman like you? What's he got to do now?
Hello. Hello.
Just because my friends have got BMWs doesn't mean I don't dislike them.
What, the friends or the BMW?
No, they're my friends. I can't make their life choices for them, can I? I can't magically make them cool other than tell them to get rid of their BMW. If they want to be uncool, that's up to them, but they're still my friends. Some people have cool friends, some have uncool friends. I have some uncool friends. Shut up, Sharpie. Looks good to me. Tank bracket. Yeah. So I think
With this.
cross member all the way across and then 2 ups from the cross member.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
2 ups, you mean like
Yeah.
like a
So we'll
bridge?
get some flat bar. We'll take a flat bar straight across the top of there and then 2 ups from the flat bar. That will mount the tank. It'll also join the top 2 rails together. do it by eye. Yeah, so for that's it.
Okay.
You right, Kimasabi?
Yeah. Give me a bit.
Just gonna put a tack on it anyway. There you go, buddy. Did you check your goggles, see if there's any Sharpie on them?
No, I haven't.
I know you haven't.
I'll be alright.
I used blue this time.
Nobody's waiting for me at home, so I'll be okay. One done.
A lot more.
Exactly.
There's always a song to be said, a song to be sung.
Today? Oh, I had a song for today.
Oh, what was the song for today?
Bang, bang. He shot me down, bang, bang. I hit the ground, bang,
Bang, bang.
That awful sound, bang,
Bang, bang.
My baby shot me
Me down.
That's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah, mate.
Bang, bang.
I thought you was going to do Smashing Pumpkins then for a minute.
Doesn't sound right, doesn't it? I think battery just died. Wow.
Behave. Behave. Told it off.
You mini.
I'm still only just going to tack them up. Probably when it's all together, we'll get it off the bike and give it a proper weld up.
Oh, okay. Looks sick.
Yeah, mate.
Looks so good.
Oh.
So where do you want to do like the more crossings? Because we have one here.
Yeah,
And we do
there's one-
another one hidden. So
No,
it's-
there's
it's
one up the
no-
back here that needs to go right across and pick up these holes for the seat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
But can we keep like this clean and this?
Yeah,
Except
well-
from what we will need for battery and stuff.
Yes. Yeah. Because the front pillar we can come off. You want to keep this clean, did you say?
Yeah, quite. I like
Well,
this.
the front seat we can come off the tank mount one then.
Yeah.
Yeah? Come off of that up there.
Yeah. Cause,
And the back one, straight across the back here.
yeah, so we won't be able to see if that bit is clean. Because I think if we would put lots,
Yeah, I mean,
that
yeah.
would like ruin a little bit.
But the
battery's
battery's
somewhere
got to sit
here,
in
yeah.
there. There's quite a bit of room under there. Quite a bit of room.
Do we have a battery to measure? No.
YTX 9BS. I got a picture of the first subframe of how I did it, and I know it took me ages to figure it out. Motor 2.5. Oh no, because I went straight a lot further up. Look, this is the original one, and I came straight up, and because I didn't want anything under there.
Back, yeah.
Yeah. So the battery sits there. If I close that in afterwards, I think I'll put some carbon fibre panels on it. Like that. But yeah, the first one was, I did it like that purely to hold the battery. I think I was running an Aprilia shock in this as well. I don't think it was a Suzuki shock. But they're all different, aren't they? Okay.
I like this subframe. I think it's gorgeous.
Yeah. For sure. Where's the camera now?
It's
Why do you
hidden.
keep fucking hiding the camera? How am I supposed
I'm
to
gonna
do
hide it everywhere.
How am I supposed to do sarcastic side looks and take the piss out of you if I don't know where the camera is?
Well, that's all the point.
You need a light
Like
above
that.
the camera at all times.
Huh?
You need a light above the camera.
Yeah, so you know where. So I know where it is, so I can do the.
But then it's not natural, isn't it?
What, me taking the piss out of you isn't natural?
Should we play that game? Like warm, no cold. That's.
My stump went under
my
there.
finger!
We're gonna get this seat on. Please, are we ever gonna get this seat
No,
on?
it's not in the right place now. Can you place the seat and I'll move the bracket where it has to be?
So if we put the steel across there, the top where I've marked that.
That's gonna be a lot.
No, I'll go one better because this is an Egyptian head. Walk like an Egyptian.
I'm gonna put it in the stay still. Yeah, that's a thumbnail for a grass lesson by Simon.
Fire corrected. Top apprentice.
So after long consideration and trying different things, we did this. And now we have enough support for me to try and sit on the bike and see how it fits for the first time. Simon is naked. He can't wait for his dinner, which is Potatoes. Which is sausage and mash.
I've got sausage and mash for me dinner.
Will we make a volcano today?
Yeah, sketty hoops.
My boiling suit. You need those. All right. I have to lift
Hang on a minute. Wow. Because I need a picture as well.
Can they sit on it?
Yeah. Don't forget the back of the bike's off the floor.
Yeah.
You still touch the floor. You should be able to get to the foot pegs, so don't put too much pressure on them.
You think so?
Yeah?
Am I on the foot?
Yeah.
It's just moving, so I thought
Yeah, it is
maybe
a
I'm not
little,
on the
it'll
lever.
move a little bit. Oh, yeah, that's brake lever.
So, okay, can I put all the weight?
Yes. Go back a bit, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We could put you a belly pad in here if you wanted.
Yeah. The back is up, isn't it? 'Cause
Yeah,
now
I'll tell you,
I'm like-
if you put 1 foot down, I'll drop it on the deck.
Okay. Oh! Ouch! You didn't say it's gonna leave. It's gonna have long arms and long legs.
And I've got quick reactions.
Yeah.
You should have brakes. That's mental, that is. That looks a nuts. How's it feel? Just in general.
Feels good.
Bearing in mind we haven't moved bars in and out, or pegs look even good as well.
Pegs are definitely right.
Yeah.
Like it feels very, very good.
Not
like
worried about
it's
levers at the moment. We
completely
can move
good
them.
position.
That all looks good.
The bars probably, I would like them slightly more in.
In?
Yeah, I think so. They feel a bit like my.
Yeah. The inner you've got, the slightly harder a bike is to turn on circuit, the slightly wider they are, the more leverage you have.
Oh, okay.
Which is
okay.
why
I
you
think I
do
need
see a lot of super bikes, you do see they actually have their bars right out wide.
Oh, okay.
Which is really
okay.
quite strange. Some
It's
of them.
just very unusual for me. So, like, I
Yes.
need to ride more bikes like this to. I need to ride at least one
Yes.
with a dropped bars to find where I sit on it.
Yeah.
Because Ducati was different.
They had risers on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was raised, so it was
Yeah.
here. So it's very, very different.
I looked
had to
at
go
getting
like
a set
this.
of riser bars for this, but it defeats the object.
Yeah. I need to learn that.
Do you want to go back on
And
the
I
paddock
want to
stand?
learn it.
Or do you want to sit there for a bit?
I want to sit.
Right. That's trick.
It's so good.
Feels light, and it's light, isn't it?
Yeah, it is very, very
Yeah.
light. Very light. It's unbelievable. It will be slightly bit heavier with fuel and everything, but not much.
There's not much more to go on it. That's the trouble.
Yeah,
You've
yeah,
only
yeah.
got the fairings and
Which is very light.
yeah,
So it will be
yeah.
super light. And I'm super light.
One of my favourite Ducati models, the Super Light. Just thought I'd drop a Ducati reference in there somewhere.
Okay.
Banging.
Imagine if I was fall off with a.
Fall off on the first lap.
No!
What?
Off the bench.
Off the bench, yeah. You haven't even got to circuit and you fell off it, yeah. That's got to make the movie, that has.
Just fell off of the bench, trying the bike out. Oh my god. Okay, that's it for today.
Let's call it a day.
That's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Hope that filmed.